Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Have a look at this unusual skirt with the double front. I showed you the pattern in the previous video. You already know how to make it. Have a look at the sketch. Now I can proceed to cutting. Center front in on the fold. It is on the lengthwise grain. There will be a seam in center back. It is on the lengthwise grain either. We have some fabric left for the waistband. It is very important to make the upper front details and the facing in advance. Now I can distribute these details correctly on the fabric. Please do the same, otherwise you may have problems. Start with cutting the facing. There is no seam allowance here. Be attentive. This line is on the lengthwise grain. It's a must. This line is either. Verify these distances carefully. If you make everything correctly, you won't have problems when sewing.
Аккуратно, аккуратно, не сбиваться, потому что нельзя. Да, похоже, я здесь прибавляла уже на шов. Да.
This line is on the lengthwise grain, and this is on a bias. I add 1 cm for the seam allowance here. I will verify the details after cutting.
Доливая, а это уже как пошла у нас линия, также и здесь. +1, +1. Я сейчас вырежу и сверю.
I add nothing to the bottom. I just add 1 cm to the side seams. Later, I will cut the back and the front. Let's verify the details. Well done! These details are ready. I'm not going to cut the waistband right now. I add a couple of millimeters to the back.
Ну, пояс я, естественно, не буду сейчас вырезать на примерочку.
Cut all extra pieces immediately.
Совсем чуть-чуть, миллиметрики. Это центр переда. Так. По-моему, я отрезала так себе. Да, надо поровнее резать, это правда. Так. И обрезаем низ. Центр спины.
This is center back.
Оставляем вот так.
I will tuck this seam.
И
The upper part is left undone for the zipper.
начинаю
Draw the waist tuck and tuck it.
и начинаем
I can proceed to tucking. I start with the back.
Все видно, все хорошо. Обтачки я
The
убираю,
tucks and center back seam.
тут мы приготовим.
Well done. I put the facing aside. I don't need it for the first fitting. The back is ready. I have tucked the center back and tucks.
Дальше.
Have a close look at it. I can put it aside.
Дальше.
Have a look at the front.
Деталь.
The tucks are tucked.
У меня
Have a look at these details.
не
As long as I do not tag the facing, I need to tag center front to show you the first fitting.
вот центр
I also tag the tucks and make 1 cm seam at these sides.
во всяком случае,
This detail is ready.
она у меня
Now I need to assemble it and the front. Join center front of the details.
центр переда. Есть отметка центр переда. Центр
Pin the details together.
с центром переда. Скалываю вверх.
I will tag on the upper edge. I hope you remember that there will be 4 cm overcast in the lower front detail. If you made everything correctly, you won't have any problems. Please be very careful. The skirt is going to be very nice.
Сделать, чтобы они были проблемы. Очаровательная будет у нас юбочка.
This point should be 4 cm above the bottom.
Не забыть. Сейчас я проверяю. Ну, чуть-чуть
I mark 4 cm from the bottom
на миллиметр.
and join these details together.
Не буду.
Do not stretch the fabric.
Всё. И сейчас я вот эту
Now I'm going to tag these details together.
и потом буду
Then I will tag it to the back and tag the overcast.
готовому юбочка наша.
I remind you that there are waist tag in both front details, the lower and the upper ones.
Тоже выточка заметана.
I show you this skirt in detail
Чтобы вы могли
to make it clear.
что-то себе такое сделать.
I was glad I created the design for Olga.
Хочется, чтобы
It is unusual but not too complicated.
тоже не хочется.
Have a look at the front.
У нас все-таки было Вот так вот будет
When I make the overcast, it will look this way.
разница, потому
You can make a skirt of different length, it's up to you.
выйдут.
Take the lower and upper details on the upper edge.
Отлетную деталь
I don't show you how to tack the tacks, not to waste your time. I hope it is clear. The skirt will be lined. The skirt will be edged with the facing. We will make decorative seams here and here.
То, что самое важное. Вот так вот. Смотрите, как красиво у нас все.
Of course, we will assemble the details when the tacks are sewn and pressed.
Показала вам
I can proceed to tack in the side seams.
примерочке.
Join the details together and tack them.
Уже, ну,
There is nothing special in it.
уже будет
The details perfectly match.
уже будут по этой
I cannot tack sitting.
красивые вот так.
I couldn't learn it.
Второй стороне
I always tack standing.
это будет очень украшать.
If you made the details correctly, you won't have problems.
Уже все эти детали.
You don't need much time to make this skirt.
Приступаю к сметыванию боковых швов.
Making the pattern and cutting takes minutes. Of course, you are lucky if you have a correct basic pattern.
Чего я за жизнь
Take the pins out.
не научилась,
This side seam is ready. I can proceed to the other one.
умею. Не знаю,
Have a look at the skirt.
смотрю, люди сметывают, но это я не могу так делать. Я всю жизнь сметываю стоя. Как одна
The side seams are tacked.
считаю.
Now I need to make the overcast to show you the first fitting.
При сметывании боковых никаких, ну, если опять же, если все было точно, никаких проблем нету. Не так много
I
времени
just fold the bottom and tack it. I do it by the eye, by the way. Of course, we will verify everything before sewing. I just want to see how it looks at Olga.
боковой шов. Сейчас буду сметывать второй боковой шов. Вот так
I'm very proud of this skirt.
сметала второй боковой
I designed it myself.
Только заметать
I was thinking about some interesting design.
эти уголочки.
I'm get tired of pencil skirts.
Я пока
Of course, if you have a dress code in your office, you have to wear pencil skirts. But I'm happy that we can afford wearing different designs.
пока вот просто
The bottom of the lower and upper details should match at the side seam.
могла увидеть на
I will finish tacking and show you the first fitting very soon. Be patient.
Не, ну, конечно, если бы мы сидели в городской думе, посмотрим, что у нас тут получается. Подгиб
Have a
должна
close
быть
look
вот так
at this skirt.
вот этот отлетик. А он-то у нас уже к тому времени будет готовый. Сейчас я это дометаю. Вот мне осталось. кусочек. И
It is ready for the first fitting.
будете свидетелем.
I am pleased with the result.
Сейчас я дометаю. Внимание на стол.
I like this skirt.
Сметана.
It will suit Olga's white shirt.
Да. Давайте.
Olga can combine it with different blouses. For me, it looks like my baby.
Моё. Ну вот
Finally, we dress up Olga.
это первая примерочка.
She can combine it with so many things because a bright skirt is always nice, especially of such interesting design.
Эта юбочка
I hope Olga will wear this skirt with please.
вообще с очень многими вещами, потому что я
I hope you enjoy this skirt as much as I am. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, the link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!